most about creating the cybersecurity Nanodegree program was the ability to incorporate sort of realistic projects that professionals would typically face if they were in real jobs. So it's not just, content or, just quizzes and tests, like it's a real project. And I think that's super important because I know early on in my career, I discovered that it's important to have like a solid sort of educational base, whether it's formal or informal, to grow in the industry. But experience is also super important. And so I think any opportunity to do projects and things like that, whether it's theoretical or in reality, is a good way to just get the experience that you need. And so I loved being able to develop that project. And then I think the other piece is I'm an eternal student. I love learning. And I feel like in order to teach, I constantly have to learn about the latest, trends and processes and things and really stay up to date. And so I would say those are the two reasons why I loved contributing to this program.